I believe that technology should empower students and teachers and enhance what we are doing in our classrooms. Technology should connect students to their learning and to others. It should be used to create stronger communities for students and teachers within the confines of the classroom and outside in the digital world. Technology must allow every child to participate and create. Unlike the TV that was rolled into my classroom for the Apollo moon launches when I was in 5th grade, technology today should be a constant in our classrooms, not just something used on special occasions or when the work is complete. It needs to be integrated into our lives within the classroom, just as it is in our lives beyond the classroom walls. I believe that technology should be used to open worlds to students and teachers so that our only limitations, other than the bandwidth of our schools, is our imaginations. And I believe that technology can help students to think more deeply, take academic risks, and experience things that so far they haven't dreamed of yet.